baby. Is that piece of cigarette still as clear as I smoke it?
Smoked it.
I don't want yours. I got a cigarette.
Yeah, it looks real satisfying.
It is, isn't that? Don't inhale it really hard.
What kind is Logic? Where'd you get it? Where'd you get this?
You get them at Kangaroo.
How much was it?
$10.
$10?
Yeah.
How much do the charger and the things cost?
The what?
The charger and the
Those are disposables. They're supposed to last like 400 hits or something like that. Supposed to be like 2 packs of cigarettes.
200 packs of cigarettes. So if I got one of these and a pack of cigarettes, how long would it last me?
Those are supposed to last like 400 puffs. Can I have it back?
You're gonna smoke all her puffs.
For real, my puff's away.